Oh boy, word detectives. Have I got a good one for you this week? I feel like I say that probably every other week. So clearly I love words, right? Grab what you need, your words, your scissors, and your pencil, and come on back. All right, here are your words. As always, my hint for you before I give you hints, my hint for you is really say each word as you sort it. Really look at each word as you sort it. Do you notice how I really emphasized the word look? Look. Okay. Cut your words out. See if you can figure out this week's sort, and then come back and I'll give you some hints to see if you did it right. Press pause now. All right, how'd it go? Was my kind of verbal hint helpful to you? Hopefully it was, because the first hint is that there is only one sound. So you can't really be listening because every single word should have made the same sound. What sound was that? Hopefully you're saying or, right? Form, more, yeah, all those words. All right, here's your next hint. This is where the English language is just so frustrating, right? One sound, it's spelled four ways. That means there are four categories, there are four patterns. What are the four ways you can spell that or sound? And wouldn't be English if it wasn't an oddball or two. And there are two. Okay, now that you know that there's one sound and it's spelled four ways, check your work, see how you did. All right, so is this how you sorted your words into OR, ORE, and OAR, and OUR? And guess what sound all of those words make? Or. That means you gotta just know which words say OR, which words are spelled ORE, which are spelled OAR, and which ones are spelled OUR. My hint is be a good reader, read a lot, because the more you see them, the better you'll be at spelling. So get those four blanks and write your headers on them. And then we'll check and see if you've got the right words in each column. So we'll start with the OR words. Form, north, thorn, pork, fort, and storm. All right, the next category's got that magic E on the end, but crazy enough, it still says or. Ugh. More, store, shore, tore, war, and soar. Gosh, form, more. Yeah, there is no difference in the way they sound. You've just got to look at them and know. Sorry, guys, no tips. Here's OAR. Bored, roar, soar, bore. That's it. That word bore, it's kind of like what is this? An animal is the boar that we're talking about there. All right, again, same sound, right? Form, more, bored, they all make that same or sound. That R is really bossy when it comes to an O. Here's our last category, the OUR. Your, for. Oh, well, we know how to spell for. That's a different one, it's the number. Court, fourth, poor. And you've seen the word poor before, like somebody who doesn't have a lot of money, but this is pour like I'm going to pour something out of a pitcher. Okay, make sure you've got your four headers. Hey, look at that. The word for, the number four, we got this. Make sure your words are in the right place, and then we'll figure out what those oddballs are. So this week's oddballs have the right pattern and the wrong sound. This first word here, this is the word hour, but it's spelled whore. No, Definitely, it's the word hour. This one is the word word. It's kind of got that ER sound instead of an OR. It's not word. There you go. They're oddballs because they got one pattern and it doesn't make the sound it usually does. Make sure they're in the right spots, the oddball spot. So I told you I didn't have any tips for you, and I don't have any great ones, but I do have this one question. Does the position of the pattern matter? So when you look at the position, you see here form, the OR is in the middle. More, the ORE is at the end. Let's see, roar, OAR is at the end. Your, OUR is at the end. So the one tip I have for you, look at this OR category. If you hear a consonant after the OR sound, your best guess is that it's just spelled OR. But you know, there's exceptions to every rule because look at this one, board or court. So exceptions to every rule, but it's a good tip. It's a good place to get started. Use that to help you as you're doing your spelling. All right, time to get that sort written on your word sort sheet. And then I want some really great sentences. You know, I read lots of sentences, and when they're good, it makes my day. Great work today.